Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. If you are already logged in, you will see your chat list. To start a new chat, simply tap on the green message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you will see a list of your contacts who are on WhatsApp. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to chat with. Once you find them, tap on their name and it will open a new chat window. Here you can type your message in the text box at the bottom. After typing your message, tap the send button, which looks like a paper airplane, and your message will be sent instantly. You can also send photos, videos, and voice messages by tapping the icons next to the text box. If you want to reply to a specific message, just long press on it and tap the reply button. To send emojis and stickers, tap the smiley face icon beside the text box and choose whatever you like. And that's it. Now you know how to chat on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.